kids, this is your Shubhi ma'am. Today we'll learn about greater and smaller numbers in maths. So you already know counting. So the number that comes afterwards is always greater.
Oh no! Alligator, alligator, now he's a hungry too. Oh yeah! Buzz for something on his left side. Buzz for something on his right. Oh hi! Alligator wants the biggest meal every day and every night. What's the biggest number? I'll be the greatest number. I'll open my mouth for the greatest number. Yummy, yummy, yum, eating numbers is so fun. I'll open my mouth for the greatest number. Now he's gonna eat the 7. Don't, because it's greater than 5. Oh yeah. He's gonna open his mouth for the 7. You know which is the greater number. When you use the less and greater than sign to compare numbers, the open or wider side is facing the greater number, and the smaller side points to the smaller number. It looks just like the alligator's mouth. Alligator, alligator, in the hood for food. Oh no! Alligator, alligator, now he's a hungry too. Oh yeah! Buzz for something on his left side. Buzz for something on his right. Oh hi! Alligator wants the biggest meal every day and every night. What's the biggest number? I'll get the greatest number. I'll open my mouth for the greatest number. Yummy, yummy, yum, eating numbers is so fun. I'll open my mouth for the greatest number. Now he's gonna eat the 30. Jump, because it's greater than 25. Yeah. He's gonna open his mouth for the 30. You know which is the greater number. The wide end of the sign faces the greater number 30, and the small side points to the number 25. Alligator, alligator, in the hood for food. Oh no! Alligator, alligator, now he's a hungry too. Oh yeah! Buzz for something on his left side. Buzz for something on his right. Oh hi! Alligator wants the biggest meal every day and every night. What's the biggest number? I'll get the greatest number. I'll open my mouth for the greatest number. Yummy, yummy, yum, eating numbers is so fun. I'll open my mouth for the greatest number. Now he's gonna eat the 68. Because it's greater than 58. Oh yeah. He's gonna open his mouth for 68. You know which is the greater number. And 68 is greater than 58. Alligator, alligator, in the hood for food. Oh no! Alligator, alligator.
See, these are numbers from 0 to 10. You can see that number 8 is falling just after number 7. So we can say that 8 is greater than 7. So for that we will show the sign of greater than. This sign shows that 8 is greater than number 7. Similarly, all the other numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, all these numbers are falling before number 8. So we can say that all these numbers are smaller than number 8, or in other words we can say that 8 is greater than all these numbers. If we take the example of number 4, so you can see that 4 is coming before number 8, so 4 is smaller than number 8, or we can say that 8 is greater than number 4. So for this, again, we are going to use the sign of greater than. This sign shows that 8 is greater than number 4. Now, if you look at this picture, we have number 6 on both the sides. Since the number is same, so we will use a sign of equals to. This sign shows that the number on both the sides is just the same. Now look at this worksheet. You have to count the dots and put the correct sign of greater than, smaller than or equal to. So let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 is greater than 5. So the sign will look like this. Now let's come to the second one. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. And this side 1, 2, 3. Since the number of dots on both the sides is same, so the sign will be of equals to. And lastly, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the side 1, 2, 3, 4. Since number 7 is greater than number 4, again we will show the sign of greater than. Okay, now this worksheet is of numbers. You have to put the signs of, again, the greater than sign or the smaller than or the equal to. So since number 5 is greater than number 4, we should put the sign of greater than. The mouth of the alligator will open towards number 5 since 5 is greater than 4. Next, since we are having 2 on both the sides, since the number is same, so we will put the sign of equals to. Next, since number 3 is smaller than number 9, or we can say that 9 is greater than number 3, so we will put the sign of greater than. Next, since 1 is smaller than number 4 or 4 is greater than number 1, so the sign will be of greater than for number 4 or the smaller than for number 1. 6 is greater than number 5. Again, the sign will be of greater than. The mouth is opening towards number 6 and it is closed towards number 5. Again, we can see that 4 is on both the sides since the number is same. So again, the sign will be of equals to. Here we are having number 3, which is smaller than number 10. So again, the mouth will open towards number 10 and it will be closed towards number 3. Here number 7 is again smaller than number 9. So again, the sign will show an open mouth towards number 9 and a closed mouth towards number 7. And lastly, we are having number 8, which is obviously greater than number 6. So again, we will show the sign of greater than, opening the mouth towards number 8 and closed towards number 6. So kids, I hope you must have understood the concept of greater and smaller numbers. It should have been clear to you by now. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.